National Health Insurance Authority is and mandatory health insurance. The National Health Insurance Authority (ACT) was established in 2021 to repeal the National Health Insurance Scheme Act to ensure the effective implementation of the National Health Insurance policy that would facilitate the attainment of universal health coverage in Nigeria. This discourse reviews the idea of health insurance and its link to universal health coverage, as well as the reason informing the mandatory health insurance scheme. It seeks to point out that our laws are getting progressive, whilst implementation seems not to be at par with the intention of the legislator. As one of the NHIA established, the NHIA will S3 provide for its subsection to include, but not limited to, promote, integrate, and ensure that the health and regulate all health insurance schemes that operate in Nigeria. Ensure that health insurance is mandatory for every Nigeria health service for all Nigerians across all health insurance schemes operating within the country, including federal, state, and FCT, as well as private health insurance schemes. Others are to promote, support, and collaborate with state health insurance schemes to ensure that Nigerians have access to quality health care that meet national health regulatory standards, and ensure the implementation and utilization of basic health care provision fund as appropriate under the National Health Act and any criminalized and as approved by the Minister under the Asset S3 or the NIHIA asset, under the function of the authority provide for the NIHIA to issue mandatory health insurance for every Nigeria and the country legal resident. Health insurance is an insurance contract taken to cover the cost of medical care. The contract can be annually, monthly, or for other fixed and certain period of time. It typically caters for healthcare expenditure such as medical, surgical, prescription, drug, dental, and other expenses incurred by the insured. It is imperative to note that health insurance can be comprehensive or applied to a limited range of medical services. It may provide for full or partial payment of the cost of specific service. This is usually dependent on the quantum of the premium. Health insurance can reimburse the insured for expense incurred from illness or injury, treatment, asset, or pain. The health care provided directly, it ensures that individuals and families have access to health care service without any financial difficulties opposed to out-of-pocket expenditure. The major difference between health insurance and out-of-pocket health expenditure is that the latter insists that patients pay upfront to access health care service, while health insurance provide the insured or enrollers access to health care service, which payment will be separate from the pool of contribution or problems paid by all the insured in the health plan. The 7 elements that are basic to all the health into the pool, gathering funds together and being eligible to enjoy the benefit for payment of premium made or for being employed in situation where employment entities a person to enjoy the benefit of health insurance.